I guess the leaks and the rumors were true. Yep. Year 2021, we were expecting the Note 21, follow alongside with the S21 Ultra, and that just did not happen. We got some good things that happened with foldables. Like I said, man, the Flip 3 really is the foldable for everyone, and it's got here way quicker than expected. Even as far as, man, the Fold 3, which I'm a big fan of based on just how much I loved using the Z Fold 2. Got a lot of Note features that really brought it home, just like the S21 Ultra did as well. That equally should mean that the Note series is officially dead. I don't think so. And if that's the case and that's how they're going to end the Note, then I really disagree with the move that Samsung are making. Let me explain. Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team Tier List, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I really like how Samsung have innovated when it comes to foldable tech and just hardware in the mobile scene in general, right? It's only 2019, 2 years ago, when they officially brought out their first fold, with its niggles or not. And even before with their SDC 2018, where they brought out what was known as their Infinity Flex platform. It's impressive. 2 years, 3 rounds of foldable devices, from the Flip 5G, Flip 3, to the Fold 1, Z Fold 2, now the Fold 3. And look at the improvements that they've done all round on the device. And it's great. Love what they're doing. And we always want more features for the premium price that they're actually asking for, which is great to see. At this time of the year, we should really have got a new Note 21, whether it's the Note 21, Note 21 Ultra, to follow up from what was there last year with the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. We just didn't get it. We can put it down to chip shortages, chip demands, COVID, pandemic, struggles, or they probably just didn't want the Note to steal the show of how much hard work they've put into these foldable devices. IPX8, imagine that, on folding screen devices with open hinges, even as tight as they are, water resistance, even without dust resistance, that is impressive. And then the main topic, S Pen support on the inner cover display with a bendable foldable Wacom digitizer built into the inner display. Brighter, stronger, still fluid, and dynamic AMOLED. What's there not to love? But like stated before in my discussion comparison, it comes with an asterisk. It comes with a lot more to ask the user to jump through hoops just to enjoy that. And then it got me thinking that it only took me personally this long to realize that, hang on a minute, the Note series has got nothing completely to do with the S Pen. Think about every device that has ever had the Note branding on there. Just think about it. It's never just been about having S Pen support, but it's the convenience of being able to store the S Pen away and use it when you want without having to worry about the extra expense built into the body frame and not needing any additional accessories to be able to store and use your S Pen at your convenience. Great to see S Pen support on what is currently, at the time of this recording, the only S series flagship to experience this. Great. Adds more value to the premium price that is asking already. And that goes the same for the Fold 3. It just makes sense. That big 7.6 inch display, why would you not want it? But then the asterisk comes in. A dedicated S Pen specifically for it, because it is still using an ultra thin glass display that, as strong as it's become, is still soft. And then if you want the convenience to still use the S Pen across multiple devices, S Pen Pro, more expense, even bigger, and you cannot store it away with what you need when it comes to the case that is needed. And the dread of that case that I just don't like is folio. I do not like flip cover cases. So you see where this is going? Already you spent base £1,600. Then you have to spend an extra amount for a charger, and an extra amount for an S Pen, and an extra amount for the case to store it, which just makes the form factor wider. You don't believe it? Check my buddy out, Tectonic. He did his unboxing and he showed all the accessories that come with the Note package for the Fold 3. It really made me unsettled, and to pay that much already and not have that convenience, yeah, very telling. That's what took me and made me realize that every Note device, phone or tablet that's ever been released has had the convenience of being able to put the S Pen away when you want, how you want, without the worry of losing it. That's the definition of a Note. It's not just the S Pen. So yeah, Samsung, until you can actually find a way to store the S Pen away on any devices in the future, flagship or foldable, that gets S Pen support, you cannot kill the Note. And the only way you can fully retire the Note is when you do that.